Water quality refers to the chemical, physical, biological, and radiological characteristics of water. For drinking water or potable water, it is a measure of the condition of water relative to the requirements for human need or purpose. AirMD water quality sampling is intended to determine whether concentrations of contaminants exist in potable water sources. The testing involves sampling for bacteria, metals, nitrates, and other chemistry. Materials used to collect the samples include water sampling bottles, 10% bleach solution, and chain of custody. Always wear gloves and eye protection when handling preservatives. To avoid sample contamination, do not touch the underside of the bottle caps or the inside of the bottles. Select a faucet that is high enough to allow a sampling bottle to fit underneath without contacting the mouth of the bottle with the faucet. A bathtub or kitchen sink would be a great place to start. First, select a clean, properly functioning faucet in an area free of excessive dust or other sources of contamination. Non-swivel faucets are preferred. Select a faucet free of contaminating devices such as screens, aerators, hoses, or purification devices. If present, remove them and thoroughly spray or wipe the spout with a 10% bleach solution. To collect the metal sample, collect water which has been in contact with the distribution system piping for at least 8 hours, but not more than 18 hours. Collect this water sample before any other water is used. Remove the cap, holding the cap by its outside edges only. Collect water from the cold tap immediately after opening the faucet, without allowing any water to go to waste, and slowly fill the bottle to the neck. Cap the bottle tightly for shipment. To collect the bacteria sample, let water run from the cold tap for at least 5 minutes before collecting your sample. Remove the cap from the bacteria bottle, holding the cap by its outside edges only, and slowly fill the bottle to the 100 milliliter line. Cap the bottle tightly for shipment. To collect the nitrates and other chemistry samples, let the water run from the cold tap for at least 5 minutes before collecting your sample, or collect immediately following the bacteria sample. Remove the cap from the nitrates and other chemistry bottle, holding the cap by its outside edges only, and slowly fill the bottle to the neck. Cap the bottle tightly for shipment. Place all samples on ice after collection. After all samples are collected, the chain of custody must be completed. On the chain of custody, record the project name and number and the laboratory analysis method required. Make sure that all samples collected have the sample number, sample location, sample date, and time recorded. Make sure the chain of custody has a relinquished signature prior to shipping the samples to the laboratory. Place your completed chain of custody into a sealed Ziploc style bag. Place all bottles, ice packs, and your completed chain of custody into the cooler for shipment. Ship samples under ice via overnight delivery. For directions on how to complete a chain of custody, please refer to the AirMD chain of custody video.